So let's start by cleaning up our code because we want some squeaky clean code. And next, let's work on getting this in a state where we want it. So let's say that today is datetime.now. And then we want to access this first part. So we're going to use the string method split, which will split the string based on a space. So we want to grab, so let's go ahead and print today and see what happens when we call the split method. Okay, and we have a error. Datetime object has no attribute split. So we can fix that by forcing this to result in a string.